Okay, so that's about the 3 marker. So let's see what is in the 5 mark. So in 5 mark they have given a problem. Matrix A is 1 2 minus 3 5 0 2 1 minus 1 1, and matrix B 3 minus 1 2 4 2 5 and 2 0 3, and matrix C is given as 4 1 2 0 3 2 1 minus 2 3. By giving these 3 matrices, you have been asked to compute A plus B, then find B minus C, also verify A plus of B minus C equal to A plus B minus C. So first what we will do is, we will find LHS, RHS separately and we will verify the condition. So to start with LHS, first let us start with B minus C. So B minus C. Subtract these 2 matrices, so it's minus 1, minus 2 and 0. The next 4, minus 1, 3, and the next 1, 2, 0. That is B minus C. A plus of B minus C. So A plus B minus C is equal to, A should be added with this matrix. So 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 2 0, and this is going to be minus 3. That's okay. Now the next 5, it should be addition, right? So 5 plus 4, 5 plus 4 will be 9. The next 0 minus 1 minus 1, that's going to be 5, and the next is 2 1, and 1 plus 0 will be 1. This is LHS value. Now to find the RHS value, let me start with A plus B, addition of A and B. So it's going to be 4 1 minus 1. The next is going to be 9 2 7. The next is 3 minus 1 4. This is A plus B. A plus B subtracted with what? A plus B should be subtracted with C. So A plus B subtracted with C. So 4 minus 4 0, 1 minus 1 0, minus 1 minus 2, that's going to be minus 3. Now the next is 9 minus 0, that's going to be 9, 2 minus 3, that is minus 1, and 7 minus 2, that's going to be 5. Next 3 minus 1 2, minus 1 minus of minus 2, so that's going to be 1, 4 minus 3, that's going to be 1. Notice that LHS value and RHS value both are same, hence the given condition holds good. So that's about 5 mark problem. So whatever the 5 mark problems you're going to get it from this chapter, I have already discussed. So you just need to sit and practice, that's all. Okay. So let's move on to the next. That's 2016 March. The next one is 2016 March. A little bit change actually. They shifted the matrix problem to problem number 7. The order was not followed only in this particular year. Otherwise it's just going to be same every time. 3. Okay, and then it's going to be 27, and then it's going to be 40. The places are fixed. Let's see in this one. In this one, problem number 7 is x plus 2, y minus 3, 0, 4. This is a scalar matrix. Find x and y. See, usually they used to ask define scalar matrix. Now, this time, if this is a scalar matrix, then find x and y. When can we say it's a scalar matrix? If the diagonal elements are same. That means x plus 2 should be equal to 4, and the non-diagonal elements are 0. That means y minus 3 should be equal to 0. Otherwise x equal to 2 or y is equal to 3. Simple one, but most of the students failed to recognize this. Most of the students failed to recognize the condition. Everyone knows what is the definition, but when it comes to the practical application, most of them failed. Okay, so we should know in both the ways. If for a definition we know how to define, if given a problem on the same, we know how to solve it. Okay, now the next, let's go to 3 marker. So in 3 marker, so problem number 26, it is given as a is equal to 1 minus 1 2 3. Find the inverse by using elementary transformation. So how to start the procedure? Let A is equal to I multiplied by A. So this is 1 minus 1, 2, 3 is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1 multiplied by A. My required first element is 1, here also 1, so nothing to change. This element should be made 0, that's an element of R2. R2 minus, the same number should be multiplied here and subtracted, correct now? So no change in first row. 2 minus 2, 0. What happens to this element? 3 minus 2 multiplied by minus 1. R2 minus 2 times R1. So on simplifying, this element is going to be 5. So this 1, 0, 0 minus 2, that's minus 2, 1 minus 0, that's going to be 1 multiplied by 8. My next target is this. That's an element of R2, 1 by 5 times R2. That's it. It's so simple. So it becomes 1 minus 1, 0, 1. And on the right side, 1, 0, minus 2 by 5, 1 by 5, multiplied by 8. My next target will be this. That should be made as 0. So that's an element of R1. R1 will be written as R1 plus R2. If I add these two, that's enough, right? Okay. So 1 plus 0, 1, minus 1 plus 1, 0, and no change in R2. Similarly, add these two. 1 minus 2 by 5, that's going to be 3 by 5. 0 plus 1 by 5 will be 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5, 1 by 5 multiplied by 8. It's as simple as that. The only thing is we should sit and practice. That's it. Okay. Now nothing else can stop if you practice this method. Those who are unable to sit and practice, or those who are unable to take guidance, now definitely they will say this is going to be one of the toughest problems, so I'm not going to take this. Definitely most students will say this. I suggest you just sit and practice for 4 to 5 problems. That's it. Okay, till you learn the procedure, definitely everyone can solve this. Clear? Let's go to the next. So that's about 3-mark problem. And what's the 5-mark problem in this? Actually, I told you in this particular year order was changed. Problem number 39. Matrix A is equal to minus 2, 4, 5. Matrix B equal to 1, 3, minus 6. Verify AB the whole transpose equal to B transpose multiplied by A transpose. Even though it looks so simple just with 1 row and 1 column, okay, but most of the students fail to recognize the procedure. Okay, I won't say for everyone, but some students didn't recognize. So my suggestion will still remain the same. When you do AB, you should get to know what should be the order. First, I want to start AB, right? So this is 3 by 1 and this is 1 by 3. So if I eliminate this, 3 by 3. So AB should be a matrix of 3 by 3. 3 rows, 3 columns. So first row, first column. So on multiplying, so it's going to be minus 2. Then first row, second column, minus 6. No plus, no minus sign. Remember, if I multiply this, so it's going to be 12. The next, second row, first column, 4. Then 12 and minus 24. The next one, 5, 15, minus 30. This is AB. Now you can just, it's 3 rows, 3 columns. So AB the whole transpose equal to minus 2, 4, 5. Whatever is there in column, that should be written as row, or row should be written as column. Anyway, it's the same. So the next one, minus 6, 12, 15, 12, minus 24, minus 30. This is AB the whole transpose. Now, what is the right hand side? B transpose multiplied by A transpose. 1, 3, minus 6 multiplied by minus 2, 4, 5. For both A and B, you have to write transpose and then multiply. So let us start the multiplication of these two. So 1 multiplied by minus 2, minus 2. 1 multiplied by 4 is 4. 1 multiplied by 5 will be 5. Let us start with second row. So that's minus 6, 12, 15. And the next 12, minus 24 and minus 30. And for this much they will give you 5 marks. Lucky if you are getting such kind of a problem. Okay. So you can just compare these two, both are equal, hence the given condition holds true. So that's the 5-mark problem, what you can expect. So let's go to the next year paper, that is June 2016. June 2016, that's a supplementary paper. So problem number 3, define a scalar matrix. It's almost fixed every year. Okay. So nothing to explain once again. So you know there are 2 definitions. So just Try to remember those two. And in 3 mark, okay, this set, that's for 27. For a matrix A, 1, 3, 2, 7, find the inverse by using elementary transformation. So to find the inverse, the procedure, let A is equal to I multiplied by A. So it is 1, 3, 2, 7 equal to 1, 0, 0, 1 multiplied by A. Fine. So to start with the first element, we required 1, here also 1, there is nothing to change. The next thing, this element should be made as 0. That's an element of R2. R2 should be written as, whatever the number is there, multiply this and subtract with this. So R2 minus 2 times R1. So 1, 3, 2 minus 2, 0, 7 minus 6, that's 1. And here it is 1, 0, 0 minus 2, that's minus 2, and this will be 1 multiplied by A. 1, 0. Now my next target should be this, which is already 1, so nothing to change here. The last element should be this one. That's an element of R1. R1 will be written as R1 minus 3 times R2. 3 excuse me. 3 should be multiplied to this and subtract with this. So this becomes 1, 0, 0, 1, and on the right side 1 plus 6, that's going to be 7, right? And the next one is going to be minus 3, and here it is minus 2, 1, no change here. So as this is an identity matrix, so this will be the inverse of the given matrix. So that is the 3 marker. So let's see for 5 mark what has been asked. So in the same here for 5 mark, the problem was just now we have discussed similar to this. So problem number 40, A is equal to 0, 6, 7, minus 3, 0, 8, 7, minus 8, 0. And B is given as 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0. And C equal to 2, minus 2, 2. Right. What we have to do is, we have to just find out AC, find out BC, find out A plus B multiplied by C, and then verify A plus B multiplied by C equal to AC plus BC. This is what the condition we have to verify. We already done a similar kind of problem. So what we have to do exactly, first thing, find out LHS and find out RHS separately and then compare. To start with LHS, first A plus B is required. A plus B. What is A plus B? Addition of these two. So 0, 7, 8. The next minus 2, 0, 10. It's going to be 8 minus 6, 0. This should be multiplied with C. So A plus B multiplied with C. So 0, 7, 8, minus 2, 0, 10, 8, minus 6, 0. Multiplied with C. What is C is given as? 2, minus 2, 3. So upon multiplying these two, so this is going to be 0, minus 14, plus 24. Only one element you will going to get, remember. Okay, the next one, second row, first column. So it's going to be minus 4, plus 0, plus 30. And the next one is 16, plus 12, plus 0. So let us simplify and keep this. So it's going to be 10. So this is going to be 26. And this is going to be 28. I should get the same thing when I do it for the right side. So the right side starts first by multiplying A and C. So AC 0, 6, 7, minus 3, 0, 8, 7, minus 8, 0. That's multiplied with 2, minus 2, 3. That's fine. So let us multiply these two. So it's going to be 0, minus 12, plus 21. Okay. The next minus 6, plus 0, plus 24. The next 14, plus 16, plus 0. So let us simplify. So it's going to be 9 and it's going to be 18. That's fine, right? 18, and the next one is going to be 30. This is AC. Similarly, let's find the value of BC. So what is BC? 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0 multiplied with 2, minus 2, 3. So let's multiply these two. So it's going to be 0, minus 2, plus 3. The next one 2, plus 0, plus 6. So this should be 2, minus 4, plus 0. So the resultant element 1, and this is going to be 12. How much this is going? Sorry, this is going to be 8, and the last one is going to be minus 2. That's fine. So this is AC and BC. Add these two, you should get the resultant matrix, which is already present. Surely we'll get it. 1 plus 9, that is 10. 8 plus 18, 26. Minus 2 plus 30, that's going to be 28. So surely the given condition holds good. So let's move to the next paper. So in the next year, that is on March 2017, problem number 3, construct a 2 cross 2 matrix where Aij is equal to I by j. Most of the times scalar diagonal, sometimes they will change it like this. So 2 cross 2 matrix, first write down the elements A11, A12, A21, A22. First write down the elements, then start the definition. So A11, I is 1, j is 1, so 1. A12, 1 by 2, I is 1, j is 2, correct now? The next one, A21, 2 by 1, that's nothing but 2. A22, 2 by 2, nothing but 1. So just substitute in the matrix which you have written here. So it's 1, 1 by 2, 2, 1. That's the required matrix. So in question number 27. So a statement based problem is there. If A and B are symmetric matrices of same order, then show that AB is symmetric if and only if A and B are commutative. Okay, so A and B are, they're already been given as symmetric matrix. That means A transpose equal to A and B transpose equal to B. By using this, what is that I need to show? AB is symmetric if and only if AB is equal to BA. AB is symmetric means I should show AB the whole transpose is equal to AB. This is the condition for symmetric, right? And I should show this condition is possible only if AB is equal to BA. So what I will do here, let me start with AB the whole transpose. AB the this is not explained in actually the normal classes what we have finished. So just make a note of this. Okay. Now we know that actually AB the whole transpose can be written as B transpose multiplied by A transpose. What is B transpose? B, because it's a symmetric matrix. And what is A transpose? It is A because it is right. See, if I want for symmetric, AB the whole transpose should be equal to AB. But what is given here? What we got it? BA. So that means I can write this as AB. Okay. That means if this condition is true, then only I can say that the matrix AB is going to be symmetric. Hope it's fine, students. Usually I said AB is not equal to BA. Matrix multiplication is non-commutative. But in case AB the whole transpose is equal to AB, then AB is also going to be symmetric. Okay. So a particular case, just remember. So that's for 3 marks. So let's see for 5 mark. So in 5 mark, what is given to us? So a matrix A is given. Matrix A is 1, 0, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 3. What is that we have to prove? Prove that A cube minus 6A square plus 7A plus 2I is equal to 0. So starting from where? I should start from A square. So how to start A square? A square is equal to A multiplied by A. Okay, and after finding that, find out A cube. A square is equal to A square, sorry, A cube equal to A square multiplied by A. After finding these two, you start with the LHS. That means take this condition, substitute the values, simplify. The last matrix has to be a 0 matrix. Problems of such kind is already been done, so I'm not going to explain each and everything. Wherever necessary, I'm going to explain. So please take care of this 5 marker. So let's see what happens in the next year. So that's June 2017 now. So June 2017, problem number 3. Okay, the same thing like the previous one. Construct a 2 cross 2 matrix where Aij is equal to I by j. So in March examination also same problem is there, and even in the supplementary examination also same problem. So if I start with 27, So let's go to 27. Problem number 27 is based on finding inverse of the matrix 1, 2, 2, minus 1 by using elementary transformation. Okay, you know what to do, enough number of problems are already discussed, so you can manage with this. So let's go for 5-mark problem in this one. So in this one, it's question number 40, that's for 5 mark. Already I have just given one problem of same kind. Now here also the problem is repeated. 0, 6, 7, minus 6, 0, 8, 7, minus 8, 0. Okay, and matrix B is 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0. And matrix C is 2, minus 2, 3. Then find, what is it we have to find? AC, then find BC, also find A plus B multiplied by C, finding these things separately, first thing. After that you verify A plus B multiplied by C is nothing but AC plus BC. This is what we have to verify. It's been done already, so you can take care of this problem. Okay, now let me go to March 2018 paper now. So in March 2018, what was the problem given? For problem number 3, construct a 2 cross 2 matrix where Aij is equal to I by j. So for 1 mark, the repeated one. Okay, so you can manage with this. And in the same year, let's see what is in 27. Find the inverse of the matrix by using elementary transformation 1, 3, 2, 7. Okay, as usual, the same place, same problem. Maybe the matrix is getting different, but the procedure is still the same. Correct, right? Okay. And for 5 mark, that's question number 40. It is same like the previous one. A, B, C was given. Okay. Then you have to find A plus B multiplied by C equal to AC plus BC. Previous, the main examination what's been given, the same problem is repeated here also. Clear? Now the next one. Let's go to the next, and that's June 2018. Okay, so in June 2018, what are the problems were given? I'll just quickly give you. In June 2018, problem number 3, if a matrix has 5 elements, what are the possible orders? If a matrix has 5 elements, what can be the possible orders of the matrix? We know actually what is the matrix has 5 elements. So a 3 cross 2 elements will have 6 elements, 2 by 2 elements will have 4 elements. So something like this. A matrix is already having 5 elements. What should be the order? The order has to be 5 by 1 or 1 by 5. Only in this case the product of these 2 elements will give me 5. So it should be 1 by 5 or it's going to be 5 by 1. That's all you have to mention.